Hello traders, today is the 6th of December, Friday 2019, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. We had such a wonderful day today. We made more than 200 pips. I'm going to show you all these pips, how we made it later on at the end of this video. All right, so just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RDS CAC support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. So Kiwi dollar. We had this analysis yesterday at the New York session. We banked some profit yesterday at this level, and we mentioned look for another pullback based on the momentum. So we announced to close that trade this morning as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. Beautiful long trade on New US dollar. Dollar Swiss franc, we were expecting a breakout as we mentioned through the analysis that look for on price might going to pull back. So we had another very small short trade on dollar Swiss franc. Pound dollar, wonderful trade today on cable. As we mentioned on the live analysis that the price, if the price going to break this consolidation, the safest trade would be after the breakout and get the confirmation. As you can see, the price broken and give us the confirmation, and we get such a beautiful short trade, and we hold that trade as long as we price met the final target, or we can see any red candle. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the final target, which is the second fifth channel. This is the first target, and the final target price nicely hit. Beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout, and again, as I mentioned, after the breakout price nicely retest, that's give us the confirmation. And as the price progress, we also mentioned the scaling trade, that if somebody missed that trade, they can enter that trade through live audio commentary, as because based on the momentum and price nicely hit to the second final target. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, same exactly. We see in the morning that the weakness is on the cable, as mentioned on analysis, that the price might going to respect. For the risk reward point of view, it was a very beautiful and very limited risk. We had a beautiful short trade, and we mentioned if you don't see any sign of rejection, we can add another scaling trade, and price nicely hit to the final target. And we added another small pullback short trade. Beautiful short trades on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout counter long trade, and the reason why, because as you can see, the price developed a double bottom, and the safest trade would be if the price gonna break on this channel, and beautifully priced nicely hit to the first target and the second target. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout. Beautiful short trade. Dollar yen, we can see some strength on yen. We can see we can find another short trade on dollar yen breakout. And New US dollar, as mentioned, we had this bank some profit this morning, and then we mentioned look for another short trade. But if the price gonna break, and if the price respect, as mentioned on the analysis, you can see we also mentioned through live audio commentary, and if the price fail, it means we will consider this one as a false breakout, so we can take a short trade with a very tight stop loss. And this was the counter short trade, and which gives only few pips on US dollar. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward, triangle pattern breakout long trade. Euro USD, again, this was the morning session analysis. As you can see, priced nicely. As mentioned on the analysis, if you look at, so the safest trade would be the break and the retest. And if you look at the price broken, came up, as you can see, and the retest this level, this give us the confirmation to take a short trade. And we bank some profit as soon as the price hit to the support level. Beautiful short trade. We had it other short trade in other analysis, we'll explain you later. And euro pound, pretty straightforward, another breakout short trade. And euro yen, this was the another trade after the NFP news release. We mentioned the possibility because we can see the momentum was bearish, price might going to respect, and if we see any sign of rejection, we took a short trade and banked some profit. First target hit, as I always mentioned, the final target would be the next fifth channel. Beautiful short trade. Euro yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward, consolidation breakout. After the breakout, price retest and beautiful nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, as you can see, after the NFP news release, we see the strength on dollar. We were looking at valid technical entry, as mentioned on the analysis and live through live commentary. and price nicely created a pullback, as you can see, and created a double top at this resistance level. That gave us the confirmation, and we took a short trade based on the momentum. Price nicely hit to the first target, bank few pips. Very good trade on pound dollar. Euro USD. All right, so that's the trade I mentioned after the NFP news release. We look at the dollar strength, but we need a valid technical reason, as mentioned on the analysis, that the price might going to pull back. And if that's the case, and if the price going to break this support, then we should be looking at short trade. As you can see, the price nicely broken to the short trade, and we also announced a pullback short trade because the two reasons. Number one is the fundamental reason, which is basically the dollar was strengthening, and second reason, if you look at momentum, was bearish, and price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful two short trades. We had this one before, and then two more beautiful short trades on Euro USD. All right, guys, that's it. Okay, let me show you the pips. Basically, I made it today, and okay, we can see I made it 223 pips today. All right, so I've already created another video. I have explained in details how I take those trades live with all my members, and how they basically see my analysis. So if you haven't seen it, you will find that video link in this video description. So watch that video. That's going to give you full explanation how basically I trade live every single day. All right, so you can see these are the 223 pips, right? So I'm going to show you when I open this position, because our system basically captures the screenshot as soon as we open a trade. And that's basically for us to figure out, to do our own analysis in terms of trading, which work, which doesn't work. So any trades, if you click any of these trades, you will find, like, for example, let's say short on pound yen trade. If I click on this one, as you can see, exactly as I mentioned on the analysis, after the breakout, as you can see, and the price retest, and thus we took a short trade. Um, and then we had a pound dollar short trade, almost 20 pips. So you can see exactly as mentioned on the analysis, guys. As that's what we basically, we have to put ourselves in a discipline, and that's what we explain. These are the potential opportunity, and we take trades. So it's not always we win, we also lose sometime. As you can see, 11 pips. We basically, this trade we took it first time when he reversed, based on the analysis, and the price reverse, we just get out. We don't need to basically think about it, or it's going to come down. No, if you see the price reversing, we do. That's why we take some losses too. So that's the part of the game. And some of the trade, you can see we came out as a break even, but eventually we make 223 pips, right? So that's what exactly we do it. So today was a fantastic day, blessing Friday. We made such a good trades today. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Okay, so if you don't want to miss all these live intraday analysis and such a beautiful pips, feel free to join our professional traders community. You will find that information in the video description, right? And thank you for watching this video, and have a nice weekend, and bless you guys. And see you on Monday. Bye bye.